Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we will learn how to install that Tomcat server in Eclipse. So, firstly, what we have to do, we have to write the Tomcat download for window. Then click this option, Apache Tomcat Welcome. Then click on download. Left side, you can click. Then after that, you can click a 64-bit window. That my system is 64. So I choose this. Then it start to download. It will take little bit time. No problem. Let it will take time. Okay, then after the download, then you can see, then extract this zip file. After extract, yeah, firstly extract this zip file. Okay, okay, good, done. Then go to Eclipse, then here click on window, then go to preference, then click here on server. If server option is not visible in your Eclipse, so I will give the video link, you can see that, then solve that issue. Then click on runtime environment. You can now you can click runtime environment. Okay, then runtime, then click on add. Okay, then Apache, then we download the 9.0 version, so we will click that version 9.0 Apache Tomcat. Next, yeah, done. Next, then we will browse that folder which we extract for that zip file. Yeah, this folder I have to browse. Then yeah, this one, Apache Tomcat. Now I have to select this folder, not bin folder, this folder I want. And then I want this folder, go back. Yeah, then yeah, this folder I want, select folder. Yeah, then finish, then click on finish. Yeah, done. Yeah, apply and close. Yeah, now it will take little bit time to install the server in Eclipse. It may take little bit more time, it depend on internet. Okay, so no problem, let it be take little bit time. So okay, so if server option is not visible in your Eclipse, so I will give the one video link, so you can see that in description box. After that, server option will be visible. Okay, so click on, now let's check it has been finished. Yeah, help, go to the window. Okay, I have to go window, show view, go to the server. Now click on server. For that I have to click other. Yeah, go to server. Yeah, double click on server. Yeah, yeah, now link is visible. Then click on this link and server will be installed. For that I have to click on Apache. Yeah, Apache, click on Apache. I choose version 9.0, so I have to select 9.0. Yeah, you can choose, take any version, 10 also. Then finish. Okay, it has been installed, server has been installed in Eclipse. Okay, that's done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.